Good evening everyone. No, so welcome sa ating daily board exam review. No, so by the way, I'm Engineer John Leite Santos. So ating topic ay algebra. No? So REE. So kung ano problem from REE board exam April 2003 tsaka April 2004 lumabas. So yung problem is what are the values of n if 2n is greater than 1 but less than 40. So, to solve this problem, no, dapat marunong tayo mag-translate words papuntang equation. Okay, let's solve this. No, solution. Okay, so pag ganito problem, no, i-translate lang natin yung word, no, into equations para ma-solve. So 2n minus 6. So okay, pinag-uusapan kasi yung value ng n. So 2n is greater than 1. So pag susulat ng greater than, so kung saan nakatutok yung malaki, no, yung bunganga, no, doon yung greater. So sabihin yung value ng 2n is greater than 1 but less than 40. To solve this problem, again, ang hinahanap dito is n. So, para ka nagsosolve lang ng algebra. Yun nga lang, inequalities. Okay, so pag gusto mo inequalities, the same rules natin sa algebra, dapat patira yung n dun sa gitna lang. Okay, to again, kailangan problema natin may minus 6. So, to eliminate those, the negative 6, so we need to add plus 6, no? Doon sa lahat ng equation. So, sa lahat ng equation. So, 1, add tayo, plus 6. Greater than 2n minus 6. So, add din tayo. No? Maiingit yan. Add ka sa kabila. No? So, add ka rin. So, buong equation i-add natin ng 6. So, plus 6. No? So, when kapansin natin, maka-cancel yung negative 6 tsaka yung positive 6. No? Cancel out. So, this will become 1 plus 6, that is 7, greater than 2n at less than 20. At again, ang sinosolve natin is hindi 2n, kundi yung value ng n. Sa algebra, to solve the value n, we need to divide both sides by 2. Tingin ka lang to sa variable kasi n yung sinosolve natin dito. So, this will become 7 over 2 greater than n but less than 20 over 2. Divided by 2 is 10. Okay, teka, engineer. Yung choices kasi naka-sequence na, no? Naka-sequence ang 4, 5, 6, di ba? So, to solve this, to know, no, ibig sabihin nito, dapat alam din natin yung definition, no? Magbasa na itong notation na to. So, ibig sabihin, ano ba yung 7 over 2? No? Kasi fraction, nakakatakot. No? 7 over 2, sa board exam naman, pwede kang mag-calculate, no? So, pwede mo po, to 7 over 2, no? Dali lang naman, kaya-kaya ng utak. That is 3.5 greater than n but less than 10. Teka, engineer, ano ba ang ibig sabihin nito? No? So, ibig sabihin yung value daw ng n natin ay malaki, no? That is greater than 3.5 but less than 10. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po kasama yung 3.5. Again, dito sa choices kasi lahat ito ay integer, whole number. So, ibig sabihin, malaki sa 3.5. Siyempre yung 4. No? So, ibig sabihin, include natin doon si 4. No? Okay, engineer. So, kung sabihin kung 4, cancel out na natin tong letter C kasi may 3. So, elimination din po sa board exam, no? So, yung letter D, wala na rin. So, dalawa na lang yung pagpipilian natin na choice, A or B. So, pag hindi mo naintindihan yung pagbasa notation, no, magkakamali ka. Okay, so 4. No, ibig sabihin naman ito, greater than 10. So, ibig sabihin, less than 10, sorry. Sabihin mas mababa sa 10, hindi kasama yung 10 kasi wala naman siya nakalagay na equal. So, yun yung pinagkaiba nung greater than versus doon natin sa greater than or equal. So, ibig sabihin, hindi kasama yung number kapag greater than lang, yung itself na number. Pero kapag may nakalagay na greater than or equal, i-include natin doon si 10. So, again, yung sequence natin, sabihin, no, yung value ng n is 3.5 greater than, isabihin, n is greater than 3.5 but less than 10. So, ibig sabihin, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nakasama yung 10 kasi, no, dun sa ating na-solve, no, this is greater than equal. So, therefore, ang tamang sagot dito ay 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, letter Thank you.